Alright, here we have it. The Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard. Alright, here you can see the keyboard. Looks pretty good. Nice and small. So it's good for people that don't have really big hands. You just go back and forth. You can see her on the back. Batteries right here. USB is right here. Just pull that out. It is battery powered, so if you're a normal person, it should last you about 6 months. But like if you're like me, it's not gonna last more than 3 months before I have to get a new battery for it. The USB, simple. You just put it in your computer. Simply take your USB and plug it right in. Just like that. Simple as that. You can also see here that there's this bar right here for more ergonomic typing angles. So it's not just flat, you know, it's at an angle, which helps better with your typing. Personally, what I like about this keyboard is its small size. Like I said, I don't have very big hands, and I'm a 2-finger typist. So the keys, here, let's do a sound test. Nice quiet keystrokes here. So what I like about this is the keys aren't very high profile. Like you take see this one, these keys are pretty high up. These keys are pretty low. I'm kind of used to that from my my other keyboard. You know, I like the lower profile way of doing it. And yeah, I think this will perfectly accommodate my typing style. But yeah, you can just find this on Amazon. It's like $16. Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks. Alright, let's see. We're gonna do our first race with this keyboard. Let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna be good at first. Alright, pretty decent race, but yeah, there's the typing test. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.